Well, I mean, when you're in a position I'm in right now, I mean someone who's lost everything.
Right.
You just really have so little F's to give.
This is 15,000 homes. What I think is really important, and where I think that the design community can play a really important role, is making sure that what is being built back really supports what was lost and get to an outcome much better than they might have. Because that's what design does really well.
It's really going to take a coalition of community, design, manufacturing, distribution, and installation.
That should sink in with everybody. This isn't a time to make an extra buck. This is a time to do the best service and let these 15,000 homes go from a story of loss to a story of what lighting can do. Light for LA will be a set of targeted outreach programs which are all about providing assistance. It's helping explain how lighting can be a real tangible value in their life and in their community, explaining what the components of that value are, how to go about getting it, and then asking them what they want.
I will also say I'm constantly reminded that nothing's impossible.